founded in 2007 by artist Charlie Russell. East Jesus began as a humble collection of 2 art cars transformed into captivating sculptures. Over time, it evolved into a sprawling 30-acre outdoor museum, attracting artists, musicians, and free spirits from around the world. The community embraced a philosophy of creativity from waste, repurposing discarded objects into thought-provoking and sustainable artworks. Resident artists and contributors like Royce Carlson, Flip Cassidy, Ben Wolfe, Joe Holliday, and many others left their mark on East Jesus, transforming it into a kaleidoscope of mixed media sculptures, assemblage art, murals, and site-specific installations. The ever-changing landscape reflected the diverse visions of its creators, inviting visitors to reimagine the potential of discarded materials. In late August 2023, Hurricane Hilary, the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in 84 years, brought unprecedented rainfall and flash flooding to the region. The East Jesus community was ill-prepared for the deluge that changed a dry wash into a raging river, slowly undermining the soil. Residents were forced to evacuate as the flash flood made roads impassable. In April 2024, our staff visited East Jesus' outdoor art exhibits. An East Jesus staff member warmly greeted us with their customary orientation.
Greetings and welcome to East Jesus. I am your mediocre half-assed tour guide. I don't give tours. I just sit here, babble, lie through my teeth, and sound like I'm telling the truth. This is the work of over 2,000 artists in more than 10 years. So you have more than 2,000 egos trying to get your attention all at the same time. When you come next time, we want your junk. We want the stuff from your garage. Bring it here, we turn it into art. It doesn't matter if it's worthless or it's valuable. We don't care. We don't sell anything. That would be too complicated. You know, that involves taxes and other stuff. So we just put it all into art and let nature destroy it at its own pace.
Okay.
As we wandered the desert displays, several pieces left a lasting impression. Flip Cassidy's wall of TVs. An ingenious sculpture constructed entirely from salvaged TVs and computer monitors, Cassidy's monumental wall of TVs offers a poignant satire on media overconsumption. Charles Russell's Cinnabar charm. Russell transformed a 1971 VW Campmobile into a vibrant, quirky mobile altar decorated with intricate designs between 2001 and 2010. Fame Retardant's Sunken House. This fascinating collaborative piece by Wolfe and Tolman, crafted from found materials, subverts traditional notions of a house with gravity-defying suspended and partially buried elements. Joe Holliday's The Mammoth. Holliday's imposing yet whimsical sculpture from discarded tires, dubbed Definition of a Grievance, trudges across the sand, symbolizing the weight of unresolved conflicts. Here are a few more things we saw during our visit. A bastion of eco-consciousness. East Jesus steadfastly embraces sustainable practices, harnessing solar energy through panels, transforming waste into fertile compost, and breathing new life into recycled and repurposed materials for their artistic creations. This extraordinary desert enclave thrives as an oasis of inspiration, a living testament to the resilience and boundless creativity that defines its vibrant community. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos on the desert. Here's another video on Salvation Mountain, also located in Slab City. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.